Hello and welcome back to episode 2 of Kenyan cuisine, and today I'm super excited to share with you a samosa recipe that is very delicious, super moist and crispy on the outside. Samosas are often served as snack and enjoyed with the rest of the family. If you'd love to see more recipes of Kenyan food, then stay tuned. So today I'm using all-purpose wheat flour. So you're going to put 500 grams of all-purpose wheat flour in a bowl. And then you're going to add your water, salt, oil, and then mix it into a medium soft dough. So after mixing into a medium soft dough, you're going to turn your dough on a flat surface and then you're going to knead until smooth. After kneading, cover and let it rest for around 10 minutes. Then you're going to make small equal balls one at a time. Now roll out the balls one at a time into your desired thickness. Flat the surface and slightly oil the top of each round out balls, and then you're going to layer them together and continue the process for the rest of the dough. Remember to stitch the edges and roll them out together to one large round piece. Heat a shallow pan and toast the dough for around 3 minutes on each side. So if you didn't understood on the first one, I'm going to repeat on the kawas. While rolling out, you're going to focus on the edges to avoid combining them at the center. After toasting each side, you're going to start by separating them while hot, or either you can wait until they get cold. Repeat the process for the remaining ones. After done separating them, you're going to divide into half and make the paste that you're going to use to seal the edges, and the paste consists of the flour and water only. So let's prepare the filling. In heated oil, you're going to add your minced meat, once it has browned, you're going to add your garlic powder, onion, mix, and then you're going to add curry powder, garam masala, paprika, green bell peppers, and lastly tomato paste. Mix everything together and let it cool down. Now take a piece and fold into a samosa case, and then you're going to apply the paste to hold the edges together. Repeat this to the rest of the batches. Now take the casing, and then you're going to add your already cool meat filling inside and seal the edges using the paste. Do not overfill the casing to avoid ripping off. Eat some oil for about 6 minutes, then carefully dip each samosa into the hot oil and cook while turning until golden brown on both sides. Remove from oil, making sure to let excess oil drain into the pan. Repeat the process until all samosas are cooked. So samosa process is quite hard, but once you enjoy them, you're going to forget the hassle. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of Kenyan Cuisine. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.